Hello everyone. Today we're going to be making a Starbucks salted caramel latte soap, and I've went ahead and added my lye solution to my oils, as you can see here, and the fragrance does discolor, so really doesn't matter what you do with it, but it's like I'm going to go ahead and see if we can get a couple different colors in. So I'm going to put a little bit in here. And then I'll try to get a little bit of white for the top. And I'm not going to add any fragrance oil to the white, just some titanium dioxide. So as you can see, the colorant is pretty dark. So I'll go ahead and mix these up. They're already getting pretty thick. I'm going to wait and add the fragrance till I'm ready to pour. So I'll go ahead and move these for you guys. So I'm going to add a little bit of fragrance oil to my white. Don't stay white very long. I'll just add a drop of titanium dioxide. Oops. Oh, it turned it orange. Goodness. We'll see how it ends up. I'm going to go ahead and put the remainder of the colors in here, because just because it shows that colored now doesn't mean that's what it's going to look like when we're done. But once it cures, it changes. Let me get another one. Okay, I'll go ahead, put this in. I actually like the color. I hope it stays like this, but I know it'll darken. I don't know if you guys can see this. I should have checked my camera. I want it a little bit thicker so we can have like a little mound of white in the middle to put our coffee beans on. I went ahead and made some large ones and some small ones. So we're gonna just wait for this to thicken up a minute. They're gonna be really large bars with the large coffee bean. So I think I'll just do half of the loaf with that and half with the small ones. Okay, it's thickening up a little bit, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and pour it on the top. It's over here. I think this is kind of firmed up, so it's not gonna break through. If it does, it's okay, I guess. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and try and put them on. See if they sink in. They're gonna be huge bars. And I'm making a mess. I don't know which one I like better. Now I gotta put them all in because that one went in. One more big one in there. Let's see. Well, we'll just have some left over for samples. Let's see if my soap is too thick. Oops, I made a mess. Okay, try and get a little bit of the dark. I think I will just finish this, and then we will let it set up for 18 to 24 hours, and then we will. Okay, our coffee soap is set up, so we're gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm gonna take a small piece off the edge here. They'll be kind of thick bars because the coffee beans were so big. That's the little end cut. And I really can't use my inch marker here because I'm gonna have to cut around them. Let's see. There's that one. They're going to be really thick bars. Cut a little piece off again. That'll be our samples. A little bit of this one. And this is our little beans, but I don't exactly think. I could get 2 small bars maybe. Okay, we'll do 2 bars here, and these will just be small ones. There you go. We just need to get them cleaned up a little bit. Thanks for watching.